Hey guys! So I just moved to Canada and let me tell you, driving here is the most confusing thing I've ever experienced. In Cebu, driving is like being in an action movie. No rules, no logic, just vibes. If you survive, congratulations. You've unlocked a new level of driving skills. Back home, traffic signs are just suggestions. Speed limits, optional, lanes, what lanes? We treat the road like a buffet, take whatever space is available. And the best part? We don't even need turn signals. If you're a real Cebuano driver, you don't signal. You manifest your intentions. You just think about turning left, and it's up to the driver behind you to read your mind. Telepathic driving. Meanwhile, in Canada, driving feels like a tea party. Everyone is so polite, it's unsettling. The first time I drove here, I reached a four-way stop. I stopped, another car stopped, then another, and then nothing. We all just sat there, staring at each other like confused puppies. One guy actually rolled down his window and said, "Excuse me, sir, you can go first." I panicked. What is this kindness? In Cebu, if you hesitate for even half a second, 10 motorcycles, a jeepney, and a stray dog will overtake you. If you let someone go ahead of you, you might as well just hand them your car keys. But here, they wait for you. Canadians play reverse chicken. The one who moves first actually loses. And the roads, so clean, so smooth. In Cebu, our roads are like obstacle courses. Potholes, unexpected speed bumps, random construction sites where there's no actual construction happening. It's a game of survival. In Canada, the biggest road hazard is a squirrel. A squirrel. But the weirdest thing, no honking. In Cebu, honking is a language. It's how we communicate. Beep, beep, move, beep, 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 watch out, beep, your life is in danger. In Canada, if you honk, people think you're either a criminal or having a mental breakdown. Driving in Canada is like being in a meditation class. So calm, so peaceful. But deep inside, my Cebuano blood is screaming, "Asa na ang thrill, bye."